Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Sam Z Architectural Design and I'm Sam Dima. Our last video we focused on how we add our roof and then our fascia, our concrete fascia, and we did that very nicely. And today's tutorial is going to cover on how to add ridge cap to our design or our roof, and it's going to be simple. Please, if you're new here, I'm urging that you hit the notification button, you subscribe, and also like. You can also comment if you have any, so that we share ideas together. So without wasting my time, I would like us to focus on today's video, how we are going to add our ridge cap to our design. But first, what I will do is I'll have to add material to this my roof before we continue. So to do that, I'll go to edit type, then I go to duplicate, and I change this my roof to roof 2. Sorry, I'll change the name to roof 2. Then I click OK. Then what I have to do, I go to edit type, then I go to layer above wrap and then click on it. Click on the small box, and a pop-up appears. We have to create a new material for our roof. So we go to create new material, we click on it, then we duplicate, right click on it, then you click on duplicate, then you type in roof 2 as we give to our roof. Then you go to material. Then after you go to the material, what you have to do is you go to appearance. If you go to appearance, you will see you scroll down to roof. You get a roof here. You click on it. Then the material I want to apply is simple. I have this material here which I want to apply this one. So let me use this one. I click on it. I wait small for it to load. Then what I have to do is I clear this off, and I go to appearance, and I go to appearance, I click on this one to change the, I want to change the scale of this one. So I go to render type. Then after I click on the render type, I go to OK, click on OK. Okay, so you click on OK again. Then you can see, oh sorry, it didn't appear here. So what you have to click on it again, go to edit type, go to edit, go to roof 2. So you give this one the name, click on this one, hit OK. So as we did, you can see that we have applied our material to our roof very nicely, and now we are going to create our ridge cap. So first we have to position the building well, then you zoom in so that you see it well. We have to position our building well, and what we have to do is let's go change the graphics display to line hidden lines. So we click on this our roof, we go to the toolbox, the toolbar, then we click on copy to clipboard, then you go to paste, click on the paste drop down, and then you go to align to the same place. You have to align the what you're going to what we copy, you have to align it on the same place. You click on the same place, then after you click on the same place, you go to the toolbar, then you click on move, then you pick from here to the top of this one. Then after you finish, you go to in the same 3D, you go to the top view, then you go to architecture, you go to vertical, then you click on the topmost one, the one we copied and then move to the top. You click on that one. Then after you click on that one, what you are going to do is we are going to offset 150 dimension to these lines. And when it comes to the slopes too, these are the slopes that we have in our roof. The slope, you give it a dimension of 100 by 100, which someone's giving it a 200 dimension of a ridge cap. So we are going to also we are going to the toolbar, click on the pick lines, then you go to you click here, you click on the lines, you click on them, sorry, you click here, yeah, pick all the lines, you pick them, sorry, oh no, zoom in, then you pick all the lines, pick all the lines. After you pick all the lines, what you do is, I said we are going to offset 150 millimeter dimension for the hip ones, and then for the slopes we are going to give it a dimension of 100. So take note. So you go to offset and then we click on we type in 150 for our hip. So this one we give it a dimension of 150 here, 150, 150 to the left and right, to the left and also right, here to the left and right, to the left and right. Same thing applies to all of them, all the hip, all the hip, apply it on them. It's very simple and also easy. So what we are going to do now is we are going to trim them. So the next thing is we have to also offset another 100. Then we give it to the slope. We apply them on the slope. So the slope will have a dimension of 100 by 100, 100 by also 100, and then 100 by another, sorry, by another 100. This place 100 by another 100, 100 by another 100. So what you are going to do now is after you finish with the applying of the dimensions, you go to your toolbox, your toolbar, then you click on trim. After you click on the trim, then you come to for this angle like this, you click on this one and this one, you trim, give it to this angle to the same thing applies, and then this angle to this, and then also this angle to that, this angle to that, this angle to that, okay, this angle to that, and then this angle to this angle also to this angle, and then this one on join element, this one and also this one and this, and then also we come to this side, this one and this one and another one, this one and one. So this one too, and this. So you apply it like that. It's very simple. It's not difficult. Just try your hands on it. Do something. It's very very simple. So I think we are almost done. We are almost. So this one and this one and that, this one. So that's how it's going to be basically. And after you finish, you delete the middle ones. So you click on one, then hold Control, press on them, select all of them, select all of them, select all the middle lines, all the middle lines. You select them, then you delete it. Oh God, I've made a mistake. Okay, so let's keep selecting. Okay, very nice. We are almost there. See how simple it is. It's not difficult. So now we delete them, and then we apply lines to also all the edges of the roof. So we go to pick line, then we apply lines on all the edges of the roof. Apply, you apply on all the edges of the roof. Basically, there are three steps, as I said earlier. And you apply the 150 dimensions on the hip lines, and then you apply 100 dimension to the slope lines. So what you're going to do now is to break here, and then I think here is cool, here is cool, here is cool, the angles is cool. So break here, here is cool, cool, you break here, okay. Then what you trim, so you trim this and this and this. As you can see, they are not merging. So this one and this one and then this one and this. You can see we are cutting them, this one and this one, trim them into so that they will not merge together. This one and then this one. You can see how I'm trimming them. So do same, and you will get the results as how you want it. So it's very simple. It's very simple compared to other softwares. This is simple. Um, so yeah, yes, I think we are done applying all of them. First, you have to also make sure there's no line left outside or not made, and they are not merged. You have to merge all of them very well so that if you click on done, you will get what you want. So first, I will click on finish edit mode, then I will go to my realistic, back to my realistic, then I go to my 3D mode. You see that we have our ridge cap on top. So I want to apply new material to our ridge cap so that it will not look like our roof. So go to edit type, go to edit again, you go to apply materials, you duplicate, and then you type in roof 2, roof, let me give it roof 3. Then also go to materials, you go to appearance, then you go to roof, you give it let me give it this one, this color, give, okay, let me apply this color to it. So you switch it, then you close this one, it's okay, it's okay, then okay. Oh, sorry, I think I made a mistake, so let's do it again. Click here, go to edit, the type, go to material, then uh, you go to roof 2, you go to roof 2, then you apply the material on it. It's okay. Oh no. So I know the reason, so don't worry. So you go to edit type, you duplicate. As I said earlier, you have to duplicate so that the material, they will vary properties. So you go to edit type again, then you apply your material on it. Therefore, you get what you want. Okay, so now you can see we have our ridge cap very nicely on our design, very nicely on our roof. Please, if you're new, you can go into my bio and then you will see how we created this nice facial, and also how we added, how we created these extrusions, everything. If you go into my videos, you will see it. Please, if you're new, I'm urging that you hit the subscribing button. You also like and share. If you have any idea, you can also hit in the comment section so that we share ideas together. Once again, I'm Samuel Zidma, and this is Sam Zid Architectural. You're welcome if you're new, and thank you for watching too. Bye.